In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Chromecast to Wi-Fi Google Home. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your Chromecast and connecting it to Google Home is incredibly simple. To do this, make sure that you have the latest version of the Google Home application installed on any mobile device, either Android or iOS. And ensure that your Chromecast has been properly connected to your TV, your monitor, and so on. So plug it in with the appropriate cable, and if needed, plug it into a power outlet to receive power. Now open the Google Home application. In here, sign in with a Google account, access the Devices tab at the bottom, and then choose the option to add a new device. Once you select this, choose Google Nest or partner device. You can see Chromecast is included in the list of compatible devices through this menu, so choose it here from the list. Once you select Google Nest or partner device, it should be detected after a couple of seconds or even up to a minute, so just let it stay on this window searching for nearby devices. As long as you plugged it in properly to your TV or monitor, any display, and it is receiving the necessary amount of power, it is going to be detected. Would you like to set up Chromecast? If it detects the proper device, aka the Chromecast, tap yes and proceed. Now follow the instructions on screen. You will need to connect it to a Wi-Fi network. So now you can choose the network that you use around this area. If it doesn't appear on this list, you can select other Wi-Fi network and specify the ID and password for your network of choice. With this done, you can tap Next and finish the setup process. Chromecast will now appear on the list of devices, and you can manage it through the Google Home application. Now, as you can see, according to our channel statistics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.